happening? Buddy, did you hurt him?
I didn't even touch him. I swear. Just look at him.
Oh my gosh, you're fine. You're fine, Drama King. Hey, shh. He just booped you. I don't think he believes you.
What? Him? Oh, sweet drama queen.
Maple, oh my gosh, what happened? Did he hurt you? Hey, shh, it's okay, baby, I've got you. Cooper, what did you do? It's okay, sweetheart, you're okay. Shh. Oh my gosh. Peanut! What happened, sweetheart? Did you get hurt? It's okay, I've got you.